we think of all this thing, right, that intellectual capital is there, innovation process cycle is there, and that assets, whatever are there, working capital is there, or that financial, that investments are there. Obviously, this complete stage you can just observe in this on the screen, that you are moving from that one side, that is the investment side, towards a financial gain side. That movement is there, right? Now you can see this movement, that is a ideation, then that invention disclosure, these are towards the investment. But once you start moving towards that commercialization, you are moving from investment side towards a financial gain side, and that is expected when we are doing a research. You should, means if it is a obviously applied research, not in a fundamental research, but if it is applied research, definitely that movement from investment side to a financial gain side, it is expected that you should move in that. And so you can see on the screen also that move from that potential IP, and that first part is in the that side, that is investment, and you can see the post IP stage towards a financial gain.